Hello everyone, we have to discuss about that UGC नेट पेपर दिसंबर 2023 कम्युनिटी ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन असेंबली चेयरपर्सन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 A. Union Power Community is related to the Nehru. Drafting Committee is related to the Ambedkar. Provincial Constitution Committee is related to Patel. Steering Committee is related to Rajendra Prasad. A is correct. Which region party and which party become the single largest opposition parties in the 8th Lok Sabha 1984 and 1989 and with 30 seats? A. TDP. How many members of the Rajya Sabha are nominated by the President? C. 12. Who vote for the election of Vice President of India? A. The member of both the House of Parliament. Who become the first Indians to hold the office of Governor General of India? C. Rajagopalachari. Which articles of Indian Constitution empower the Parliament to make provision and for the constituency when the offices of both the president and the vice president fail vacant by the reason of the death, resignation, removal or otherwise? C. Article 70. Chronologically arrange the following presidents of India in order of their assuming the office and select the correct answer from the code given below. D. R. Venkatraman, Shankara Dayal Sharma and K. R. Narayana, APJ Abdul Kalam, Pratibha Patil. Which of the following is not true and about the amendment of the Constitution under the Article 368? C. In case of disagreement between the House, joint sitting may be called. Question number 28. Who among the following provisions are linked between pre and the post independence institutional framework to study India's politics? C. Maurice Jones. Match the items in two columns. Articles. A. 123A. Ordinance by the President. 124. Supreme Court of India. 324. B. Election Commission 368. Amendment to Constitution. Which is incorrect about the minimum support price? MSP is related to D. Horticulture produce and fruits and vegetables are also covered in MSP mechanism. Which is incorrect about the gender gap in voting in respect of 2019 general election? D. Women generally voted more than men in western states. Match the items in two columns. Institutional head chief executive. C. 15 Financial Commission is related N.K. Singh. Niti Aayog is related to Amitabh Kant. Lokpal is related to Pinaki Chandra Ghosh. RBI is related to Shaktikant Das. C is correct. Match the following items. Leaders and political parties. KB Ram Saini. KB Ram Saini is related to Justice Party. CN Anna Dorai is related to DMK. N.T. Rama Rao is related to TDP. MGR is related to AIDMK. A is correct. Which is not true about Shah Bano case 1985? D. Muslim communities were aggrieved by the enacted of new laws. Which Indian political scholars and but put forward Marxism's critics of the neo-Gandhian anti-secularism thesis of Ashish Nandi and T.N. Madan. C. Achin Banek. Which of those are not related to the subaltern studies? D. Rajiv Bhargava. Which of those and articles in Indian Constitution pertain and to the minority rights? Article 29 or Article 30. Which one of those and was not the critic of Eurocentralism in comparative politics? David Apter, who is considered to have and coined the word Eurocentralism in the comparative politics? Samir Amin. Which of the following are five nations whose political cultures and was the studies by Gabriel Almond and Sidney Verba for their book and civil culture? D. UK, USA, Italy, Germany, Mexico. Which of the following is one of the modern approach in comparative politics? B. Political culture. Which of the following gave general system theory which become base for system approach in the comparative politics? Is related to B. Karl Loving, Bertalanffy. Which one is not among the major crises in the capital's economic system? Is related to Gareth Cell in the Eastern Kloak Nation after the demise of USSR. Which one was not one? Which one was not one of the features of state socialism? Socialism in the USSR and Eastern Bloc nation. Is related to B. Civil liberties. Which one is not among the example of the community? Is related to B. Collective farmings under the communist government in Russia. Which of the following is the author of the Breast of the Earth and Black Skins While Mask? He was one of the most influential writer on the post-colonial studies. Is related to C. French Fanon. Which one was not and one of the Eastern Bloc bloc nation during the Cold War period? A. Yugoslavia. Which of those are not related? The classical era of the public administration, in which focus was on the development of the science of administration, scientific management, and universal principles of administration. A. Frederick. Which is not correct? Which is not correct about the ideal type of the bureaucracy and by the Weber? C. Select by the patronage. 2 columns. Formed of the budget and features. 15. C. Line item budget is related to the only input. Performance budget is related to input, output or outcome. Zero budget is related to alternatives to program project compared. Planning programming budgeting is related to budget as long-term policy goal. Books essay on the public administration's author. Is related to administration behavior is related to Howard Simon. Not on theory of the organization is related to the Luther Glick's and Sandals Urwick. The study of the administration is related to Woodrow Wilson. The principle of scientific management is related to Frederick Winslow Taylor. Books on public administration and thinker or author. 52. Paper on the science of the administration is related to Luther Gulick. Introduction to the study of the public administration is related to L.D. White. Principle of public administration is related to W.F. Bulingway. General and the industrial management is related to Henry Fayol. Book on the public administrations. Book on the public administration is related to Renveni government. Reinventing government is related to the David Osborne and Ted Gavler. Ethics in public administration is related to George Frederickson. Administrative decentralization and political power is related to Herbert Kaufman. Idea and issue in public administration is related to the Dwayne Beldo. Who defined public policy as anything a government chooses to do or not to do? C. Thomas Dye. Who is considered father of the game theory? C. John von Neumann. Who is associated with the garbage can models of public policy? D. Michael Cohen. Concern in IR and thinkers. Is related to security dilemma is related to John Hard. Level of the analysis is related to Kenneth Wedge. State as power maximizers is related to John Misramer. Politics as interest defined in the terms of power is related to Hans Mohr Gentau. revolution country is related to C. Jasmine revolution is related to the Tunisia. Orange revolution is related to the Ukraine. Bolvet revolution is related to the D. Czechoslovakia. Slovakia. Rose revolution is related to Georgia. Which article of the Constitution has witnessed the impact of the judiciary activities? A. Article 21. Alternative terms for the new realism is C. Structural realism. Regional organizations and headquarters. B. Shanghai Cooperation Organization is related to the Beijing. BIMSTEC Cooperation Organization is related to the Dhaka. SAARC Cooperation Organization is related to the Kathmandu. ASEAN related is Jakarta. Which president of the United States of America made human rights of the focus of his foreign policy agenda? Is related to the Jimmy Carter, who is considered to be the founding father of modern international law. C. Hugo Grotius. Name the international tribunals that has the jurisdictions to prosecute individuals and for the international crimes of genocides, war crimes, and crimes against the humanity and the aggressions. C. International Criminal Court. Who was the first Secretary General of the United Nations? D. Trygve Halvdan Lee. Who is longest service Secretary General of the United Nations? A. U Thant. Who is present Secretary General of the United Nations? C. Antonio Guterres. Which among the following organization is the odd one out? D. International Communities of the Red Cross. World Social Forums. WSF is D. Global Social Movement. Narratives of the Global Shift is related to C. Global power shifting among the Anglo-Indians world to Asia. Which is not correct about the recently operations the treaty on the prohibitions of nuclear weapons TPNW in 2021. E. USA is the fully supporting the treaty. Which of these nations has the sign NPT? NPT is related B. North Korea. Which of the following are not part of the World Bank Group? The Association Overseas Development Agency. Who is the first woman chief minister of an Indian state? C. Sucheta Kripalani. In Indian contact the Visakhapatnam guidelines and lay down the provisionals related to the which of the following? Protection of the woman from the sexual harassment at workplace. Which is not correct about the Aristotle? A. Like Pluto, he also belongs to the Athens and city state. Match list 1. Book on the political process in India and author. A. Government and political in India is related to the Morrigeons. Some characteristics of the Indian Constitution is related. Ebor Jennings. Indian Constitution cornerstone of a nation is related. Grenville Estienne. Constitution government in India is related to the M.B. Pillai. A is correct. Which of those are not one of the closest explanation of the being anything given by the Aristotle? B. Ideal cases. Who first gave the concept of the correctives or rectificatories justice is related to? C. Aristotle. Plato concept of the communism of vibes. Vibes property was inspired by which Greek city state? D. Sparta. Which is not correct about the theory of the state by the Aristotle? C. There are lots of the similarities between the ideal state of the Plato and Aristotle, which is not correct about the constitutional government as the described by the Aristotle. D. Monarchy is ruled by one in the interest of the king, which is not correct about the household and family as per as the Aristotle. C. In time state is the prior to family. Machiavelli belonged to the which Italian city state? C. Florence. Which of those books are not written by the Machiavelli? A political treatise. Which is not correct about the virtues enterprises of the prince should have as per Machiavelli? She use of forced terrors and to create the extreme fear among the subject, which not correct about the fortunas as described by the Machiavelli in the Prince? A. Fickle goddess of the luck, which is the source of the human's good as well as evil, which not correct about the Machiavelli views about the religion? B. He did not believe in life after death and eternity of soul, which was not written by the Machiavelli? Machiavelli. D. None of above. The information channel of the communication is also known as? B. Grapevine. Two statement assertions A and otherwise the reason are? Assertions. The Machiavelli stand for the double standard of the moral, one for the rulers and another for the private citizens. Are reason. The rural as the creations of the state is not only the outside the laws and the outside morality as well. A. Both A or are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Who said the Kautilya's are the Shastras explodified ridiculous Machiavellianism compared to its Machiavelli prince in harmless? A. Weber. Who is considered as the first modern political thinkers to give the idea of the negative liberty? A. Hobbes. Which is not correct about the political thought of the Hobbes? C. People may judge the laws of the sovereigns on morals, ethicals and rational ground, which is not correct about the naturals of man as per the Hobbes? C. Happiness is contentment of desires and just lust for power, which is not correct about the Hobbes social contract? B. Sovereign was also party and to the contract, which is not correct about Thomas Hobbes. D. He reformulated political realism of Aristotle in modern period. Which of those books are not written by the Locke? B. Treatise on Law. Which of those is not correct about the state of the nature as per the Locke? C. Miss Ravel's human's life and with constant conflict and struggle. Locke essay concerning human understanding was a refutations of A. Hobbes' Leviathan. Sample paper 4.